Hello everybody, welcome to another quick unboxing video of Andrew Nicole. Recently, PlayStation had a promo or at least a sale for Stay Safe and Play or State of Play, something like that. So they've been selling for cheap all their games and hardware. So one of the things that I got was this one, PlayStation Hits Uncharted 4: A Thief's End. So we're gonna take a look at what's inside and maybe show you, just in case you're curious or on the fence whether to buy this game. Now, I've been wanting to collect exclusives for the PlayStation, so I've been buying all these games and I hope I can get to play it as soon as possible. And this actually came out quite some time, and this is actually already on the PlayStation Hits tag, so it means it's on a discount, and we're going to see what is inside. Now, this is a very straightforward video, nothing very special. In fact, if you don't want to watch it, it's okay. But if you want to watch it, thank you very much. And this video is just to document my game purchase and want to open it and share it with the rest of you. Okay, so this is, guys, Nathan Drake. It's already Uncharted Part 4, A Thief's End. This is already the fourth on the series. I got the Nathan Drake collection for the PlayStation 4. And this is the last of the story for this guy. Okay, so every treasure has its price. Thrown back into the dangerous world he tried to leave behind, Nathan Drake must decide what he is willing to sacrifice to save the ones he loved. Join Drake, Sam, Elena, and Sully in an epic adventure around the globe through the jungle isles, bustling cities, and snow-capped peaks in search for a lost fortune. Okay, so as expected, this is just a disc, and we're going to install it in our PlayStation 4 this day. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. If you're interested to know what else I got for the State of Play promo of PlayStation, check out my previous video wherein I got a new DualShock 4 Midnight Blue. Thank you very much. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and to support my channel, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.